The climate in your Lincoln can be adjusted in several ways for your comfort. Let me explain. Your vehicle has several climate controls, including a power button, front and rear defrost buttons, a max air conditioning button, an air conditioning or AC button, a recirculated air button that allows you to switch between outside air and air that is being cycled within the car, ventilated and heated driver and passenger seat control buttons, an auto button, driver and passenger temperature controls, and a dual button that can control both your driver and front passenger temperature, and fan speed controls. You can run your climate system in driver-only mode, which adjusts the temperature for the whole car, or in dual mode, which allows you to control the driver and passenger temperature separately. Keep in mind, pressing the auto button at any time while you're in dual mode will change your climate back to the driver-only temperature selection. You can increase or decrease your driver and passenger temperatures by pressing either the plus or minus buttons on the corresponding side of your console. And you can change your fan speed using the fan control button. Pressing the right side of the button increases the speed, and pressing the left side decreases it. For your added comfort, you can run your system in automatic or auto mode. The auto function will run the heat or air conditioning as needed to get to the temperature you've set. Meaning, if the temperature in the car is warmer than the set temperature, cool air will start to blow. If the temperature in the car is cooler, warm air will blow. In addition, air distribution and fan speed will be set automatically. Or you can choose manual mode, which also lets you choose from air-conditioned air using the AC or max AC controls or recirculated air. To use AC, just press the button to turn it on. As you adjust your temperature down, cooler air will begin to blow. For improved air conditioning when you start your vehicle, you can also open your windows slightly for a few minutes in conjunction with the air conditioning, or use it with recirculated air to reduce the amount of time it actually takes to cool your vehicle. In fact, because recirculated air switches you from outside air to the air that's already in your vehicle, it can also help reduce unwanted odors from getting in. Max AC is probably the best way to cool your vehicle. When you press the button to switch it on, recirculated air will be distributed through the instrument panel air vents. The air conditioning fan will automatically adjust to the highest speed, and the temperature setting will go to low. To defog your windshield or clear a thin covering of ice from it, press the defrost button. Air will begin to flow through the windshield defroster vents and the side window demister vents, and your windshield and side windows should start to clear. Depending on the outside temperature, the AC may turn on to help remove humidity from inside the car. In addition to front defrost, your Lincoln also has a rear defrost button. Just press it to clear the rear window of thin ice or fog, then press it again to turn it off, or let it turn off automatically. If you have heated mirrors, they will turn on when you turn on your rear defrost.